Welcome to episode 21 of our domestic violence series, Empathy and Victim Awareness. Today's topic, apology versus restoration. 3 facts, 3 things you should know. Because in any relationship, romantic partners, friendships, family dynamics, or even workplace conflict, I'm sorry is not the same as repair. Fact number 1, words alone do not rebuild trust. Research from Dr. John Gottman at the Gottman Institute shows that trust is rebuilt through consistent, observable behavioral change, not emotional promises. An apology without changed behavior actually decreases trust over time. For victims of abuse or repeated harm, hearing sorry without accountability can feel like manipulation, not remorse. Fact number 2, a real apology has structure. Psychologist Dr. Lazare, author of On Apology, explains that a meaningful apology includes acknowledgement of harm, ownership without excuses, expression of remorse, and commitment to change. Notice what's missing: blame shifting, minimizing. Sorry if you felt that way. Victims don't need defensiveness. They need clarity and accountability. Fact number 3, restoration requires safety and time. According to trauma research from Harvard Medical School and the National Institute of Mental Health, trust repair after emotional or physical harm depends on consistent safety signals over time. Safety is not declared, it is demonstrated. Now here are 3 things you can apply in any relationship. First, replace "I'm sorry you're upset" with "I understand how my actions hurt you." Second, create a change plan. What specific behavior will stop? What boundaries will be respected? Third, allow space. Restoration is not owed. Forgiveness is not automatic. Trust rebuilds at the pace of the person who was harmed. Apology is a moment. Restoration is a process. In this Empathy and Victim Awareness series, we're learning that accountability is not weakness. It is maturity. Because real empathy doesn't just say sorry, it proves it.
Hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical self-help tips. If you'd like to reach out, visit absbehavioralhealth.com or absmentalhealth.com. Take care and keep growing.